Hey there, Tinkers! This is Amanda from the Tynker Dev team, and I'm here to welcome you to week 1 of the Tynker Summer Code Jam. This week's Code Jam prompt is as follows. Draw your own animation that could be used as an avatar to represent yourself. This animated avatar could be a number of things. It could be an animal you like, it could be a fantasy critter you like, it could be a car or a plane, it could be an emoji, it could be any other object you can think of. Use Tynker's drawing tool to create your animation. Multiple costumes can be created in this panel on the right. As a starting point for your animation, I'd say aim for about 4 to 10 frames. When you finish drawing, use a loop to animate them. You can even add motion, backgrounds, or sound to make your project more interesting. To get you started, I'm going to share a little animation I made myself. Can you make something like this? In fact, I'll bet you can come up with something even better. So sit down, open up your Tynker project, and show us what you can do. Submit your project when you're done, and you could be one of our lucky weekly prize winners, or even a grand prize winner. Check our description below for more information about the awesome prizes we're offering this year. That's all for me for now, but I'll be back next week to show you how I did my project. Until then, let's get tinkering.